and on the famous canal in Copenhagen. Got the bridge opening up to let the sailing boat through. Much to the joy of us tourists. Let's get to see something different. Isn't that right, lads? Yes, it is. It's fantastic. Good to hear. Now, hopefully they put the bridge down to make this bloody video a little bit more exciting. And I take that as a no. So rather than bore you any longer... Oh, there's another boat coming, that's why. There we go. Yep. Picturesque canal. Yep. Alright, now lower that bridge, lads. There we go, right on cue. They look after me. Bit quicker, I'm losing the viewers here. Come on, speed it up. And alright, this video's to bore the relatives with. Now with the bridge coming down, the tourists can keep on touristing, the Danish can keep on working, and we're all good. One more quick scan around. Show the beauty of this place. And people touristing like me.